Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to resize taskbar in Windows 11. And for this we go to Google and search for Windhawk. Then click on Windhawk, and then right here we want to download this. So what we want to do is click here on download. Alright, now click here on the setup, and now we want to do the setup right here. Okay, standard installation, yes, next, install. Alright, now we click on finish, and then he will open Windhawk. Then click on browse for mods, and then type in taskbar, and then go to here taskbar height and icon size details. Then we click here on install, accept risk. Then right here we click on settings, and then now we can change the taskbar height. So let's say we want to do 70 and we do save settings. Then right here, if you can see, our taskbar got a little bit higher. And if you want to make it lower, we do 40, save changes, and there it is. So this is exactly how you can resize your taskbar in Windows 11. Hopefully this was a video I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.